Weather's all set this weekend. Southern areas should become a little bit warmer, but in the north a return to winter across in Scotland. Now there should be a milder wind for a time in the south, but a much colder wind in the north. Some strong to gale force northeasterlies driving in that cold air, and that cold air eventually pushing its way right the way across the country during the early part of next week. But for this weekend, quite a contrast in those temperatures. Southern areas should become somewhat warmer. In the north we'll see the temperatures dropping, and it's this weather front that marks the boundary between the cold air in the north and the warmer air in the south. That's going to be a very active feature. It's going to give some heavy rain. It's also going to give some significant snowfall, and there's a high risk of disruption Sunday into Monday across many parts of Scotland, in particular for the central lowlands and the southern uplands. By contrast to that though, it's very much warmer across many eastern parts of Europe through the Mediterranean, and across many areas of Europe it will turn warmer over the next few days. That warm air pushing in through France, in towards the Low Countries, Germany, all the way across to the Ukraine, and still warm across in eastern areas too. For us though, back home today, it's quite chilly in the east where we still have some cloud, temperatures at best 10 or 11 degrees. Now there is a bit of sunshine. We've seen some sunshine developing through central areas and more recently in the south, and a welcome change in London, some blue skies at long last, and across into Bristol too, some brightness here and some cloud around too. Much of England and Wales should be dry and bright through this afternoon. One or two showers developing in the south, thickest cloud further north though for Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, with some rain here. And that rain is all due to these weather fronts, and really through tonight and into tomorrow, northwest Scotland through Northern Ireland will turn much wetter, and even across England and Wales we're likely to find some cloud, and those showers really do start to develop. Where we see some breaks in the cloud tonight though, through central and some eastern areas, temperatures low enough for a touch of frost, and a little bit of a chilly start here for the weekend. For England and Wales though, through Saturday we're going to have a little sunshine, but there will be plenty of showers pushing up from the southwest. For Scotland and Northern Ireland we're looking at that band of thicker cloud and rain to push in from the northwest, eventually starting to turn to sleet and snow, especially over the higher ground in northern areas of Scotland. The wind picking up too. That cloud and rain pushes its way southwards towards the borders, turning increasingly to snow, not just over the higher ground but over lower ground too, and further south still those showers. Bye bye.